Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the ELISA test or assessment. So what is an ELISA test? The ELISA test assesses the rectus femoris, which is one of the four muscles that make up the quadriceps, and it is the only one of the four that crosses both the hip and knee joints. It primarily helps with hip flexion and straightens our legs from our knee joints, so essentially, whenever we walk or run, the rectus femoris is active. It is a core function of sitting down, standing up, and doing many active components of sports. Injury or irritation can make movements increasingly difficult and can cause immense pain and discomfort. If left untreated, it is more likely that individuals can stiffen the muscles, which can increase the likelihood of falling. This test flexes the knee and observes how the hip reacts in order to provide accurate treatment. It is a test commonly used by physical and rehabilitation therapists. Here's how to use ELISA tests effectively. The first step is to fill in the top of the page and read the instructions. You'll then need to conduct the test and gather patient results. Finally, integrate within treatment. To view a sample assessment of ELISA tests, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download and access it for free. You can also access it via our platform, filter by community and assessment, or type in the keywords to find the note faster. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos in the future.